If you ever change your mind by leaving me behind, baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Hey there, budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. This week from 1962 from the king of soul himself, Mr. Sam Cooke. Now the best thing about this song is it's pretty easy. If you look at my shreddability index, I give this song really a rating of 1, but you can ramp it up with a few licks and tricks like I did in my playthrough, and you can make it a rating 2. But really, it's a really friendly beginner's song. And the reason why are the chords are simple and the song structure is absolutely basic. Okay, let's have a look at the chordography of this song. 4 pretty simple chords, but you can trick it up a bit, and I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm playing it in the key of G. The original was played in the key of C. So it's got the basic chords are a G, a D, an E minor, and a C. But I play it with a G, D, E minor 7, and a C add 9. Now the reason I play a C add 9 rather than a C is it's an easy transition between a C add 9 and a G. And you can do a few little licks and runs between those two chords. Okay, let's do just a quick super fast playthrough through the intro so you get a sense of how the chords come together. If you ever G, change your mind, that's to a D. About leaving, E minor 7, leaving me behind, C add 9, baby, back to the G. Bring your sweet loving, do this little run. Bring it on home to G, yeah to C add 9, yeah to G, back to D. I know I laughed. And that's basically the entire structure of the song. 5 times that's played. 5 verses. Don't forget to download the free song sheet so you get all the words, all the lyrics, the chords, everything you need to know. The link is below. Now, hey folks, just about every one of my lessons gets a YouTube strike because I don't have the copyright to this song. All the ad revenue goes to that big monster company we all know as Google, and not a cent comes my way. So hey, if you want to support a really small channel like mine, then check out any of these options up here. Any support you guys can give me is truly, truly appreciated. Strumology to this song. This song is in 6/8 timing, so it's great for just short, sharp downstrokes, down strums, okay? Here's how I play it. This is the basic or the foundational strum starting on the G. If you down, 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 change your mind, down, 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 about leaving me be down, 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 down. So what's the down, 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 down? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's slow it down. If you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now we can sort of break it up a bit. I know I laughed when you left. Oh, what did I do there? A couple of chop strums or down strums with a mute just to mix it up a bit and add a bit more feel and soul. And then I did a little lick on the D chord. Let me show you some of those now. Okay, a few little licks and runs I mix into my playthrough just to add a bit more spice, and it's all about the, what your level is as a guitarist, okay? But on that D chord, right, so if you ever G, change your mind, leaving. So that's just a transition from a D to the E minor, but what I'm doing is doing a little hammer on 2nd fret, that G string, all right? Doing a little on off, and then on the 4th fret G string, 2nd fret G string, open, alright? So let's slow it down, see how I can do it. To the E minor 7th by fingering those 2 skinny strings on the 3rd fret, and then to a C add 9. And that's just a little run I do on that 2nd fret between the D and the G string, right? Back and forth. Let's play that in full time, right? If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, back to the G, darling, bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. So there are a few little things you can do to spice it up. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Yeah. There was one more thing I did on the G and the D chord. I know you laughed. So playing a G bar chord, and then I'm using my pinky finger, 5th fret, B string, to a D. So I'm playing the D chord, keeping that finger on the, the G string, sliding it up to the 4th fret, 5th fret. So it sounds like this. And then you land that E minor, maybe E minor 7th, bit of a arpeggio picking on the skinny strings, C add 9. Back to the G. So that's how you can spice up this song. How cool is that? Now, one of the best things about being a campfire guitar player is the variety of songs that you can play. Now, this one here is one of my most popular lessons on my channel ever since I started. I'm not sure why, but check it out right now.